YouTube is not just a platform to watch videos, but it's also a great way to make money. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money from YouTube. The first step is to create your YouTube channel and start creating content. Your content should be interesting and informative, and should cater to your audience's interests. You can create videos on anything you are passionate about, such as beauty, gaming, or cooking. One way to make money from YouTube is through advertisements. YouTube allows creators to monetize their videos through advertisements. You can earn money based on the number of views and clicks on the ads displayed on your videos. Another way to make money from YouTube is through sponsorships. If your channel is popular and has a loyal following, you can partner with brands and create sponsored content. Sponsored videos can be in the form of reviews, tutorials, or product showcases. You can also make money from YouTube through affiliate marketing. You can recommend products or services in your videos, and if your viewers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Finally, you can also make money from YouTube through merchandise sales. You can create your own branded merchandise, such as t-shirts or mugs, and sell them to your followers. To start making money from YouTube, you need to meet the YouTube Partner Program's eligibility requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can start monetizing your videos and making money. Remember, making money from YouTube takes time and effort. It's essential to stay consistent and create quality content that your audience will love. So, start creating content, build your audience, and start making money from YouTube today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.